Amazing trading strategy trading with IQ option with the use of DreamX indicator, which helps us find trend and spot potential reversals by its trend color. First, we will have to search for good currency that can be tradable with our method. As you can see, we have the QStick indicator and the high-low bands. What does this strategy have? The QStick generates waves of trends based on its parameters. The QStick indicator is a technical analysis tool that identifies trends based on a price chart. It is calculated through moving average with its difference between the opening and the closing of the market price. While our high-low bands generates purple line that makes us our main point on when the trend shifts and go to its trend. Take a look at our euro to pound sterling currency pair. Its trend is at its average level. There's a high tendency that the trend will go lower. As we can see on the chart, the high-low bands is going uptrend, while our QStick is close beyond its middle line. Our candle bar tends to go down at this state. We will wait if the candle bar reaches the high-low bands and the QStick goes beyond the middle. We will go trade lower on this. The trend goes down. This method have a high chance of success by pairing it with the DreamX indicator. Make sure to trade on non-trendy currencies without colored lines on it, hoping on a win on this trade. Got good trading result. Euro GBP is at its normal trend state, based on our DreamX indicator. Euro to US dollar might go reverse as well. We will trade both if both indicators meet our trading requirements. Let's wait for the perfect momentum. It already reaches middle line here, and touches the purple line of high-low bands. Let's go trade higher. Our euro to US dollar might go reverse, but its trend is so strong going lower. It is optional to trade within its state. Take a look, our euro to US dollar here might have a chance to go for reversal. Let's trade higher on it. Got our win on the euro to pound sterling pair. We got 50-50 situation here. Hope we can win this trade. We got loss on that. But anyway, let's trade with other currency. Euro JPY a good momentum going lower. Both indicators are checked. Let's go trade lower. The DreamX indicator stops the green-colored line from this moment. There's a high chance that the trend will go down. Well, it goes down. It's a perfect strategy for beginners. Follow us for more trading strategies and don't forget to like and subscribe to get latest trading strategies with IQ option. See the rest of the video on how to trade with the strategy.